Hey, I'm Nancy, and in today's video, I want to share my personal kind of dropshipping secrets about how I promote my store with Sellvia Ads that bring me guaranteed 3,000 a month and why I use this tool. I'll also show you how it all looks on the inside, so stick around till the end. Even if you haven't launched your store yet and you're just doing research, this should still give you a solid idea of what to expect when it comes to advertising your products online. So let's talk about ads. When I started out, I kept hearing people say that if you want to make sales, you have to run paid ads. Google ads, Amazon ads, Facebook, TikTok, all that stuff. And yeah, ads are definitely powerful, but they're also really complicated, especially when you've never done them before. That's also why not all of my monthly profit that my store generates me comes from ads. I also do social media marketing and I like it. With Google Ads, you have to figure out keywords, match types, bidding, and understand stuff like impressions, conversions, and click-through rates. It's kind of overwhelming. Amazon ads, same thing. You need to choose the right products to push, manage budgets, analyze data. It's just a lot. Facebook and Instagram are a whole different game. Audience targeting, creatives, A/B testing, pixel tracking, and TikTok, that is its own beast with the kind of content you need to create just to get noticed. On top of that, there is all this terminology. Return on ad spend, pay per click or PPC, CPM, all these numbers you're expected to track and understand. And if you're not careful, you can burn through your budget without even realizing it. Honestly, I knew early on I didn't want to get too deep into all that. I didn't feel confident running ads on my own and I didn't want to risk wasting money. So instead of trying to figure it out myself, I decided to try a tool that was actually built into my store right from the start, but I kept on ignoring it somehow. That service is called Sellvia Ads, and you see, it's right here built into the Sellvia store dashboard. And the idea is super simple. Their team handles everything ad related for you. They run your ads on platforms like Google, Amazon, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. I don't have to build campaigns or learn all the ad lingo. They just do it. I can still monitor how things are going, and yeah, I still learn things when a random Google Ads tutorial pops up in my YouTube recommendations, but I don't think I will try that on my own in the next 6 months for sure. So I just go to my dashboard and check how much I've spent and what I've earned, but I don't have to manage it all. That's a huge relief, especially when you're just trying to focus on learning how e-commerce works. Most days I spend $10 on ads and bring in 2 to 400 in sales. Some days it's more, sometimes a little less, but it's been consistent enough that I can rely on it as a big part of my store income. I still use other ways to bring in traffic too, like social media and content, which I talk more about in other videos, but I'd say a good chunk of the steady income I've built comes from this ad setup. Also, if you're using Sellvia, your store already comes with a product catalog, so you're not starting from scratch. You can customize it, upgrade it, grow it at your own pace. So yeah, that's what's been working for me. Not trying to say this is the only way or the best way for everyone, just sharing my experience in case it helps someone else who's just starting out and feeling overwhelmed. Let me know in the comments if you've tried ads yet or if you're still figuring out your game plan. I'll do my best to answer and share more in upcoming videos. See you later. Goodbye.